Hey there! We're excited to be back on your screen with the first round of updates of 2024. With your ambitious plans and ours in mind, here's what we've added to your pentesting arsenal in the last month. Detection and exploitation for a bunch of tricky, critical CVEs, 3 new attack options under the active checks you can do with the website scanner, a new integration with Microsoft Teams, and a way to see the real-time status of your VPN agents. Let's get into them. One way we make sure our tools are highly accurate and reliable is to constantly develop detection and exploitation modules for complex CVEs. The last month, our team tackled 5 notable vulnerabilities on top of the constant stream of new ones that we add to our vulnerability and exploit database. There's a new CVE in Ivanti Connect Secure, which can lead to RCE when chained with another one on our list. There's also a CVE that leads to RCE in SnakeYAML library in Atlassian Confluence, and we've also added detection and exploitation for a CVE that has a score of 9.8 in Apache ActiveMQ, one that's actually a path traversal vulnerability that leads to RCE in SysAid. If you haven't tried the powerful network scanner sniper auto exploiter combo, here's how one of our customers uses it. So they say that for their usage model, this platform mostly solves the confirmation of already known and detected vulnerabilities and results of reconnaissance checks. Also, the sniper modules enable us to test specific attack scenarios to our asset ecosystem. And now, please direct your attention to the attack options under the website vulnerability scanner to find that we've added the following things. We've implemented input reflected in DOM to help you cover even more vulnerabilities lying in the DOM and use findings to strengthen protection against XSS attacks. Just choose the XSS option under active checks and you're good to go. We've also introduced a new session fixation detector to help you identify session hijacking risks. Using the mitigation recommendations will help you prevent unauthorized access to user sessions and their sensitive data. And one more thing, we added a method to detect if the website scanner spider finds an OpenAPI file. When it does, you can dig deeper with the API scanner in just one click, straight from your finding. By the way, we love to see customers truly make the most of our tools, like this pen tester. So they say, we had a tool to scan our websites and endpoints automatically. The reports were not so good, and each additional URL was charged additionally. This doesn't scale in a microservices architecture. Pentest-Tools.com solved all our problems. You can scan up to 1,000 targets, the reports are so professional, and you can choose from dozens of different tools to analyze all aspects of an enterprise architecture. Thank you for that, that always makes our day. If you and your team use Microsoft Teams, set up this new integration to get custom notifications for your scan results. You can also configure different channels for specific notifications, making sure everyone gets alerts about findings that are relevant for them. You can now check the status of your VPN agents in the VPN profile section under Settings. We update their status in real time, which makes it easier for you to check if your agents are still up and running before starting scans against your internal infrastructure. And if you want to see how to do a full vulnerability assessment and penetration testing workflow using Pentest-Tools.com, our security research engineer, David Borsch, will demonstrate how to use pentestground.com, our custom-built playground with vulnerable apps and network services, how to run the subdomain finder, TCP port scanner, and other tools to automatically map your attack surface, how to create notification for high-risk vulnerabilities, and a bunch of other steps and workflows that will take you from recon to reporting, including exporting your report in multiple formats, including editable docx. And there's one more way to level up your insights. Since we last did these updates, we published new podcast episodes with the legendary Vivek Ramachandran, founder of Pentester Academy and SquareX, the brilliant IPSec, and the remarkable Willa Riggins. If you want to get the new episodes, we publish every 2 weeks. Subscribe on YouTube or on the podcasting platform you use. Thanks for watching these updates, and we'll see you next month.